Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Fitu's Thai Kitchen. Today we're going to be looking at another Thai classic, Pad Kee Mao. Now, Pad Kee Mao means stir-fried drunken. Plus, we need to talk about Kee Mao. It's a compound word to show that you do something on a next level, and it's a habitual increase, you know. It's like, so if I said you're a KRACHAI, it means that you're really, really shy. It's your habit, you're always shy. Killan, you know, you always forget. Kee Mao is so stingy. So Kee Mao just means that you're a drunken sod. You're always on the lash. This punchy flavored spice feast is something to sober you up, maybe put you on the straight and narrow, who knows, but nobody knows for sure why this is called Kee Mao. It's just one of those things that's been lost over time. This thing with this dish is that on a daily basis I come across restaurant reviews or recipes, websites, YouTube videos, vlogs, Facebook posts, or everything. And whenever this dish is a subject of those promotions, 9 times out of 10, the dish is completely wrong. With, you know, a lot of core ingredients missing. Okay, sometimes it's difficult to get those ingredients, but you need to mention it or do a different dish. Do Pad See Ew. If you don't have the ingredients to do a Pad Kee Mao, do Pad See Ew. But yeah, and okay, admittedly, this dish does have a feeling of kind of throwing together of some ingredients, whatever you've got left, knocking about to knock together. You know, someone's come home after being on the lash and you're just cobbling together some noodles for them to take the edge off. Who knows? So it's got that kind of feeling of like a special fried rice, a tau fan, or in England, like a bubbling squeak, something like that. But as I said, a lot of the chief ingredients are missing. And actually, in the grand scheme of it, I find this dish, Pad Kee Mao, to be the most bastardized dish in the lexicon of Thai food. This dish is always being butchered. I saw one the other day that had maple syrup in it. Maple syrup. Come on. So today we're going to set the record straight and show you the authentic version. So let's get started.
This is KRACHAI and young peppercorn, green pepper, red pepper, yellow pepper, onion, sweet basil, bamboo shoot, broccoli, long bean, carrot, baby corn, chilli, garlic, or you can put anything, any vegetable you like. Okay, first thing we crush the chili and garlic together until they become very fine, and a piece of KRACHAI. This one we put 4 pieces of red chili. This is for 1 portion. You want to ใส่พริกไทยดำไหม a little bit of black pepper. Just make it smell nice. Just don't have to be very fine. Chefs are going to cook this one. Okay, we put this one. This Pad Kee Mao, we don't put egg. This one for drunken people who drink too much at night after they come out from the pub. That's why. Just like this, you can smell. Okay, today we make pad Kee Mao seafood. Okay, we put prawn. Yeah, we put prawn. Squid. And then start to put all the ingredients of vegetable. You can put any vegetable you like, but this one our recipe. Okay. Yes, this one is very good and very tasty. Yeah, and KRACHAI last. Wow, very nice smell. Add a little bit of water. Then we put the sauce. We put oyster sauce. Oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons. Yeah, about 2 tablespoons. And light soy sauce. Also about 1 or 2 tablespoons, chef. 1 enough? Yeah, a little bit more, okay. And dark soy sauce and a pinch of sugar. Yes, that's it for 1 portion. Right. And the fresh whole fun, no fresh noodle. Or even dry noodle, you can use dry noodle, just soak it half an hour. But this one we use fresh noodle. This is very, very soft. Okay, right. And then don't forget the basil, dark soy sauce. Wow. Yes, the final is to put the basil. Yes. Okay, this is the pad Kee Mao, our recipe. This is how it look like. Oh, smell nice and smoke come out from the noodle. You can see it's very, very hot.
So guys, here is the finished article, Pad Kee Mao in all its glory. Now, remember I told you, this is my favorite Thai noodle dish. It actually is one of my favorite noodle dishes, full stop. I think this and Wa Dan Zha Wei Ho is these two are my favorites. And for me, it's the best. As I said earlier, Pad Kee Mao is a bit like fried rice or bubble and squeak for us. It's something you just, late at night, you're putting together whatever you've got left in the fridge, and so there's some flexibility to this dish. But saying that, for me, it's got to have young peppercorn, it's got to have KRACHAI, and it's got to have decent amount of chili. Those three are like the holy trinity. And you get some dishes, some recipes that put some kaffir lime leaves, they put a bit more sugar, okay. Variations. And some people prefer different types of basil. Some people would say the basil is everything on this dish. I don't find that to be the case. I find basil accentuates the flavors, but it's all about those 3 flavors, those 3 ingredients. The basil, you can use normal basil, you can use holy basil. Really, holy basil you should use for this. But any basil is fine, because it's just to accompany the flavors, to round them off. But I'm going to enjoy this. I hope you enjoy it as well. Don't forget, you can use, actually what's really popular is using spaghetti noodles or even chow mein noodles and cooking Kee Mao using those noodles. I wouldn't recommend using anything too thin like a mee hoon, like vermicelli noodles. I find that it will just break up. But spaghetti noodles or chow mein, yeah, it comes out really nice. So experiment, see how you get on, and we'll see you next time. I'm gonna dig in to this bad boy. Consummate. Oh god, yeah, this is good. So don't forget, hit like, hit subscribe, and bang that bell, as Pitu likes to say.